So let's have a look at how we can use Elasticsearch head plugin to do some of the most common operations in Elasticsearch world. So this is my Elasticsearch folder where I keep all the Elasticsearch related files. And as you can see, there are different versions of Elasticsearch. We just covered this blog, and also the Elasticsearch head folder. Let us browse into the Elasticsearch head folder over here, and let us start it. It's as simple as typing in npm start and press enter. So now it's starting the server, and it's up in this URL. This is a port where it's up, and just take your browser and go to the port. So as you can see, like let me zoom a bit. Yeah. As you can see, here is where we give the connection string. This 9540 is my port where the Elasticsearch version 9, Elasticsearch version 5.40 is running. So for convenience sake and for distinguishing which version it is, I have edited the config file and named the port as 9540. So as you can see, when I connected this, there are a lot of indices that is already being here. So let us create a new index from the scratch, and name it new index 01. And be sure it's put over here. The put method is used over here, and just press the request. Yeah, you can see acknowledge true and charts acknowledge true over here as a response. That basically means that Elasticsearch index name this one is created. So in order to see verify whether it's created, let's go back to the overview section. This is overview section, and look for the index, and we don't see any index. So just refresh the page. It will take some time. So here is our new index. So next, we'll move forward to index. Now we have the index over here. We next move forward to putting a document inside this index. So this is the index name. As I mentioned in our first one of the first blogs, we need to mention the type too. Here I am giving the type as new type, and the document ID. It is just one. And give a post method, and I'm going to index a document where I fill in my name um, and page details over here. So you can prettify this, and also we can have validate JSON also a JSON option over here, and just request. So as you can see, there's a response over here, which can see that it's created true over here, and this is index, and this is a type, and this is the ID which we are given. This order proceeds to this one. So going back to the overview, and as you can see, the new index 01 shows 0 documents over here, but we just indexed one, right? So in order to see that, just press the refresh button, and you can see this one updated. So now let us see how to retrieve the documents. If you want to retrieve this particular document, like for this particular document, we know the index name, type name, and also the ID, right? So we just change the get post to get request and delete everything from this box and press the request. So we'll get a response like this. where you can see the status of the search found is equal to true and the source. Also, another way is to query. Query in the sense we make it as a post request and we give an API method, the search API method, and leaving it blank like this and pressing request will give a result. So by default, it gives us 10 requests and sorry 10 results from the index. So since we are having only one document, we get only one. Now we can take an index with a bit more documents. Suppose that let us consider this index and if we search simply we'll get 10 documents in the response. You can see like this total number of documents in the index and the first 10 of them is in the response. Suppose if you want to delete a particular document, you can also delete it like this. Copy the ID of the document and also the type of the document. This is how we delete it. So that's how we use Elasticsearch head for basic purposes. Here we have the information table. Here we have uh, basic information about the node, the cluster name, the node name, the version of Elasticsearch being used, etc. And um, we have another